This video will show you how to identify and report an unauthorized sign-in attempt to your UVic account using the Duo mobile app. When prompted for a pushed login request on the Duo mobile app, you should first confirm if you were trying to sign in to your UVic account at that moment. It is also important to always check the location of the sign-in attempt before validating it, which can be seen on the Duo push itself. If you weren't attempting to sign in at that moment, or if the location on the Duo push feels unfamiliar to you, click on the Deny button. You will then be directed to this page asking you if you feel the login was suspicious. If this sign-in attempt was not made by you, click on Yes. Upon doing so, a notification will be sent to UVic's information security team, who will then investigate the matter further. And this is how you can securely protect your data by denying any unfamiliar Duo push requests using the Duo mobile app.